Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Tech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because in this video we are going to discuss about the continuous layoffs that is happening in the IT sector. We will specifically discuss about the 10 billion cost saving done by one of these companies which is the top company in the world. We are going to discuss about Microsoft, UKG and Intel. Then we will discuss about a Techie's viral salary comparison from the year 2019 and 2024. We are going to discuss the salary of one of the biggest IT company here in India, which is service based, and discuss about the latest deal that this company has signed. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. Now, the number one thing that I want to discuss is, as you all know, in July 2024, tech industry layoff continued, which affected more than 8,000 professionals across 34 companies. Okay, so major companies like Intel, Microsoft, UKG, they have announced significant amount of job cuts. Okay, so let me just quickly turn on the pointer here. Here you can see that Intel mass layoffs over 15,000 employees to let go. Okay, and they are doing this. They are representing more than 15% of its workforce as part of the 10 billion cost saving initiative by 2025. So in this particular year, they are going to save $10 billion. Okay, and among that, 15% of the its employees are being terminated, are being laid off because they want to achieve this 10 billion cost saving. Now, I'm not saying that only removing the employees or laying off is the solution. There can be other solutions as well for this $10 billion of cost saving. They might be outsourcing a lot of jobs from US or from China to India or even Vietnam for that matter. Then let us discuss about Microsoft is laying off 1,000 of its staff in the last 2 months. Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft, one of the biggest product based companies, is laying off 1,000 people. Moreover, while Microsoft didn't confirm the latest round of job cuts, those affected said that the trimming down affected roles related to the product and product management. Okay. Now, along with that, a very big giant, okay, from the US, that is from the Massachusetts, basically, is a software company called UKG, and they have initiated almost 14% of the workforce layoff. That is, 2,200 employees are being laid off directly, and they previously employed 15,820 to 800 people, something, and they are removing 2200 people from the US. Okay, people who are there in the US from India, Indians who are working on H1Bs or who are completed their masters over there and they're working there, it is a big threat for all these people specifically. Now in India, if you talk about directly for India, then Resha Mandi app lays 80% of the staff. Okay, so this is one of the startups specializing in silk yarn products. They have laid off 80% of their workforce, right? Basically, after failing to secure the Series B funding. Okay, now along with that, you here will see that the employee count, okay, was in 500 people in January 2023 to around 100 by the year end. Okay, and with reports suggesting that 300 former employees are still awaiting final dues and salaries. They have not even paid the salaries of the employees also who have left the company or who were terminated directly. Now Ku, one of the application which was like Twitter more or less, so that is a micro blogging platform. Ku, they have seen rival X, that is formerly Twitter, and Twitter is a big fish, is a giant whale in front of this small Ku. Okay, so the company has reportedly employed around 200 staff and they have shut down their operations. The company is no more operating. Now Unacademy also does the same thing. It does restructuring and then does job cuts by 250 jobs. Way Cool stashes workforce by 200 employees amid funding struggles. So this is the thing that is happening. Okay, they are not able to generate Series B, Series C rounds, and that is the reason to cool off period and all those things. Right, all these things are happening in the IT industry. Now Pocket FM also, they have also fired more than 200 writers for its internet FM show. Now all these things are happening. Okay, meanwhile, if you look at one of the viral tweet by Mr. Shashank on Twitter, or that is called as X now, my salary in 2020, okay, it was 21K in 2019. Okay, and now, and at that particular time point of time, the expenses were 30,000. You are getting it in cities like Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. You are getting a salary of 21,000 to 25,000, right? And the expenses itself are more than that. And that is the reason, this is the worst part. They are still offering the same package as of now, considering all the inflation in the last 5 years. Still, they are offering the same salary. So this is shameful. On top of that, if you look at the recent deal that is signed by one of the biggest IT company, not only in India but the entire world, Xerox. Okay, now TCS is that company, right? So Xerox, which is one of the biggest, again, a product based company where they are creating products, okay, working on different manufacturing products, okay. So it majorly is into printing and paper and everything, right? Softwares also. So they did the recently quarterly earning report, and they have revealed that they have signed a 7-year agreement with TCS of $355 billion. So they will be enhancing business outcomes, migrate legacy data centers to cloud, and implement a cloud-based digital ERP to transform business processes. Okay, so they are also going to TCS is also going to integrate generative AI into operations to drive sustainable growth. So these are all the things that are happening in the IT industry as of now. On one hand, they are getting big contracts, but still they are not willing or wishing to pay the freshers more. So this is the sad reality of 2024 right now, that all these companies are doing. Okay guys, with this I would like to end our today's video. Please like this video and share it with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Thank you for watching this entire video. Have a good day.